What's up, guys? I've got a little bit of just a run and gun video for you here, and what we've got is a Trane system, and we're actually just going to be doing a summer winter changeover on it. Let me show you what we got. The way that this system is set up is it changes over based upon temperature. I'm not a big fan of that type of control, but hey, we got what we got. Okay, and what I can see here, I can see my loop temperature right here. You can see it at 73.7, and of course we're bringing the building over to cooling, and currently it is in heating mode. And what I'm going to do here, just because of the way that this system tends to operate, I'm going to jump in here, and you can see that my value is currently 65 degrees, which means basically when that water gets above 65 degrees, this would go into heating mode. And there again, these numbers are manipulated based upon how the building actually performs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here, and I'm actually going to change this to 80. And the reason that I'm going to take it to 80 is it is currently above what we have as far as our loop temp. I'm going to hit enter, and then here I'm going to hit apply. You can see my button here, and you know, I can go up and down, just whatever. Once I press that apply button, I'm going to go back to my previous screen, and you can see here we're still in heat mode. So let's go in and look a little bit about what I did. I may have done something wrong here, and you can see there 80 degrees. I'm going to go up about 5 more. I'm going to give it just a little bit of a I guess you could say a little bit more of a range, because there again, if you don't have it within far enough out of range, then it's not going to necessarily work the way you want. There is a little bit of a range, a transition period. So I'm going to hit enter right here, and then I'm going to hit apply, and then I'm going to go back to my previous screen. And you can see there it now changed to cooling mode. Okay, I was probably not giving it enough time, being a little impatient, but we now have our changeover valves, which you're not going to be able to see, or maybe you can. We've got our changeover valves that are going to be moving into the cooling position. Guys, this is just a quick video that I wanted to do because, I mean, it just kind of is an overview of different systems that are out there. This one is an older system. We do not have it tied in with our BAS. It does have the capability, we just have not done it. And anyways, guys, just a quick boring video for you to watch on any of you guys out there that's got this kind of a system. I just wanted to show this to you for some reason. Talk to you later, guys. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and we'll see you next time.